a little lamb, little lamb, little...
Rani Ki Mess. Like, share, comment and subscribe.